Guys, welcome back for a new video. This is Pete right here. I'm gonna show you how to train for a half marathon. This is 21K. You have to prepare mentally and physically. I'm gonna show you right now. First and foremost, get a good pair of shoes, your feet or your foundation. So give them the respect they deserve by investing in a good pair of kicks. Good does not always mean super pricey. Shoes that are comfortable and truly fit your feet. Remember, they must be comfortable. They must be used. You cannot run any half marathon or a marathon with shoes that have not been used. You have to be careful because you need to be comfortable in your shoes. If this is your first half marathon, I strongly recommend that you plan this occasion for longer than 10 weeks. This will give you more time to accommodate your body to the training demands. 12 weeks is a common length of many half marathon training plans. As you might expect, preparing for a half marathon is different compared to shorter races. Factors like race pace become much more important on the day of the event, but you can and should practice this beforehand. I would recommend practicing your race pace at least once or twice a week doing workouts so you can be comfortable at the speed during your first big race. A rookie mistake is that some runners get so caught up in the excitement of the race day and the prospect of making splash that they turn up the heat way too quickly. The result? They drag behind in the final miles of the race. I highly recommend as well you practice your running in the morning because you are more likely to succeed long run early in the day as you are full of energy. Pick one day a week when you will do a long run. I like Saturday mornings or Sunday mornings. Start with a long run around 3 miles, then slowly increase that distance each week. For example, the first week could be 3 miles. Second week, 3.5 miles. Third week, 4 miles, and so forth. You should train consistently and easily. Eat a healthy diet with lots of fruits and build your strength slowly over time. Remember, the lighter you are, the better and the easier you run. The real key to training for a long distance run is to make running easy and fun. Do what it takes to maintain your love for running as you train. Running many miles each week is one way to prepare for a half marathon, but many miles can increase your chance of injury, so you gotta be smart. And also, most of the time use compression socks in order to avoid shin splints. Doing your 3-month training, let's say you run 4 times a week, you might need to run 2 types of training. 2 of them are quality runs and 2 are days maintenance runs. The quality runs consist of mid-week tempo run and a weekend long run. You need to see what your body is capable of endurance rise in the month and weeks leading up to the big race. Doing a longer run every week can help your body acclimate to long distance running in ways that sticking with shorter runs will not. As you get used to running longer distances, you'll find that your physical endurance and mental toughness grow, which is exactly what you'll need to find success on race day. Here is a few tips you will need during preparation. Find a training group. Whether you're paying for a coach who is leading a group training program or you just round up your running buddies, training in a group can make all the difference in the world in how successful you are with your training. On those early morning long runs, you're much more likely to roll out of bed when you know the gang is waiting for it. Also, having a body's encouraging word or just a pat on the shoulder during a tough run can really make a difference in pulling through and fighting off fatigue. You need to rest. It is very important as running and workout. Your body needs time to rebuild and repair. Skipping rest days will tax your body's ability to recover and make you more prone to injury. Be sure to take your scheduled rest days, but also listen to your body. If you're feeling worn down, you have no energy, you feel sore or tired, check your resting heart rate before getting out of bed. If it's just a few beats higher than normal and you don't have a cold or some other type of infection, you more than likely are overtraining and need a rest day. Now let's be clear. Workouts can improve running skills since well-developed muscles enable the body to use oxygen more efficiently and or slower to fatigue. This allows you to run faster on the flats and to proper more easily up hills. Workout also can help you to lengthen your stride, which allows you to run faster over distance. Each stride you take during your run requires the effort of several of your muscles. Although your legs propel you forward, your abdominal muscles play a supporting role in your running cadence. These muscles hold your torso in an upright position. Strong abs can stabilize your spine to prevent injury. That's why you have to work on your core, your abs, your legs. You have to strengthen those muscles in order to make your half marathon easier. A few examples of strength training exercise that you need. You need to do plank. It works on your core, lower back, and shoulder. Russian twist, your core and obliques. Squat, your entire legs. We can say your entire body, right? Your glutes. We need to do weighted working lunge. Deadlifts, also work on your core, your legs, so that you can run faster and longer distance. Leg curls, those exercises will help the job done easier for you. Supplementing running with strength training exercise will not only help you prevent injury, but it will also make you a stronger, faster, and more efficient runner. You got it. If this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Take care and have a great run.